Hi, everybody. Nuts and bolts of it for our big storm that's coming in tonight. This is going to be a heck of a winter storm. It could be surprisingly a ton of ice where you live. It could be maybe even for less folks, just a ton of snow. By less folks, I mean primarily downtown Portland over to the east side and up through Clark County. Or maybe you live in a spot where you get, hey, it's kind of half and half sleet, freezing rain, snow. Whatever it is with freezing temperatures, it's going to be a heck of an icy mess overnight into tomorrow morning. So, a couple maps, and courtesy of KGW TV, I grabbed these maps off of the weather graphics machine and made them and put them on my Portland Weather Facebook page. This is the ice storm warning in this brighter purple color. So, from the Weather Service, this is just south of Canby. It includes Salem, Silverton, Dallas. So this is the best chance to see primarily entirely either freezing rain or sleet tonight with half-inch to 1-inch ice accumulations. That's enough to bring down trees, power lines, cause power outages, and really make it almost impossible to travel if that comes true, okay? And then let's see here. This one, still on my Facebook page, and this lighter color up here is the winter storm warning. This includes the Columbia River Gorge out into Portland, up through Clark County, and all the way up into Longview, and actually all the way up into Castle Rock through Cowlitz County. Now, the deal is, though, we're getting observations. Hillsboro, I think since about 2 o'clock this afternoon, has been 27 degrees and freezing rain. So there are already signs that when you jump over the West Hills, the east flow out of the gorge is not strong enough to produce the depth of cold air to keep it all snow. So maybe, just saying this, maybe this ice storm warning is in fact going to be more like western portions of Washington County, or at least Hillsboro, Forest Grove area. Just keeping an eye on that, okay? Let's go ahead and get you to, I think, my portlandweather.com, of course, my weather site. And I think I can blow these up so you can see these. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see here. I'll just read them to you. This is the old school observation from the National Weather Service. So at 5 o'clock, just to give you an idea, we had rain in 33 in Astoria, mixed precipitation 37 in Tillamook. Newport, 46 degrees. Check them out. Southwest winds, they're warm. That's rain. Portland, light snow 26. East winds gusting to 32. That's PDX along the Columbia River. Vancouver, Pearson Airfield, just across the river, 26, light snow. Scalpoose, though, now you're getting out a little bit on Highway 30, mixed precipitation. That one surprises me, but they're at 25 degrees. And notice they have a south wind, not an east wind. Now, Hillsboro has an east wind, but still it's freezing rain on 27. Look at all the ice reports. McMinnville, freezing rain. Salem, freezing rain. Corvallis, mixed precipitation. So basically, if you go back the last 3 hours, there's been this many spots getting freezing rain or sleet, and only this many spots getting all snow. So that's interesting. So I'm here to tell you that I don't really have, whoops, let me pop it back up. I don't really have a solid answer to tell you exactly who's going to get rain and who's going to get, who's going to get ice and who's going to get snow. My best guess is that it is all snow in places like Troutdale, East Multnomah County, all snow in downtown Portland, all snow up through Clark and Cowlitz counties. But again, you jump over the West Hills, maybe you folks should be in the ice storm warning. Even had a friend of mine that lives off Capitol Highway and saying it's been freezing rain there, just south of downtown Portland. So don't be surprised no matter what happens at your house tonight. You could get 8 to 12 inches of all snow, that much, between 7 o'clock this evening and 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Or, again, Salem's a bullseye of this, that maybe up to an inch of ice accumulating, pulling down trees, power lines. Wow. Maybe you're half and half. Maybe you're somewhere between 4 inches of snow or 5 inches of snow and then a bunch of sleet or ice. So those are the particulars. We'll go, we're in mid-20s tonight for Portland, and a lot of us are in the mid-20s right now. Now, the storm front clears out by about 5 in the morning, and then the rest of the day tomorrow really ought to be scattered snow showers. I'm going 32. Forecast models say we have a chance to get to 35 tomorrow, so we'll see. And then it's mainly dry Saturday overnight and early Sunday morning, 26 degrees. Moisture picks up during the day Sunday. There's a system Sunday night into early Monday morning. I'm going 35 Sunday, 34 that night. So that means I think we have a chance to be rain Sunday evening and Sunday overnight, barely, and then 44 on President's Day, and it's all rain. But there's reason to believe that I will have to lower these numbers, that in fact, Sunday evening, Sunday overnight could be a wintry mix of freezing rain, sleet, or snow. And if that's the case, there's enough moisture there for about 6 inches of wintry precipitation in the Monday morning. So that would be a big deal. Don't forget to read all my text information right there. I wish I had a rain snow filter on my radar data. I pulled this from the National Weather Service feed, and unfortunately they don't have it. The TV stations have it, I don't. But here you can see how steady the moisture is on radar. And let me show you my satellite page. Just scroll down. I mean, well, let's see here. I mean, if you like color, see this one? I mean, look how fat. That's a big system. We're just getting into it. Here's a visible shot. Again, there's a lot of moisture coming in tonight. Forecast models have been very consistent. We have about an inch of total water that would be snow or ice of some mix, okay? I will be on KGW's News at Sunrise between 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. I invite you to get up and turn on the TV and get the latest update, and I will talk to you then.